In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily fix error 0x800f0922 in Windows Update in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is at the bottom search bar or at the search box, please type for panel. Once you've typed it, wait until you'd be able to see a best match in this window before we can continue. Once it's here, please navigate to the right side, click on open. And the moment you have successfully opened the control panel, you need to change the view first like this. So go navigate to view by, click on this down arrow key and set it into large icons. Once set, please proceed to programs and features. In my case, it is being placed here next to mail at the first column. So by that, please proceed to the left pane, find for this turn Windows features on or off, which has the shield icon. Click on that one. And the moment you click on it, you'll be able to open this Windows features where you can turn Windows features on or off. So please wait until you'll get to see the list here inside this box. Once you've seen it, please proceed to .NET Framework 3.5, which includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. Click on this plus icon, check this here, check the two here, and then proceed to .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Series. Click on this plus icon, go with WCF Services. Checked it, click on this plus icon, and check all of these boxes here. Once done, click on OK and wait until it would be finished. And once you have finished it, you need to proceed to the second solution. Okay? But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. Okay? So the second solution that you can do is that press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to bring a small window called Run. Here, please type for services.msc. Once done, click on OK. And in a few moments, you'd be able to bring up another window where it contains all of the list of services in your Windows 11. So just have to select for app readiness, find it, make a right click, click on properties, and then please proceed to startup type. Click on this here, set it into automatic, start the service. Once you're done, click on apply and then click on OK, and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, your problem will be fixed. Try to resume your update again, and I'm sure it will be working this time. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.